How to rebrand yourself. Take one. Action. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Cass. If you guys are new, I talk all about DIY content creation to enhance your brand, business, or just enhance your content creation in general. And today you guys are talking all about how to rebrand yourself. So it is a new year coming up. We are in December. 2021 is around the corner. So if you already have established a business and you're ready to have a fresh start, try something new, just do a little polish up of your business, it is the perfect time, you guys, to rebrand your business. Now, this is not about actual starting of the business. If you guys are just starting a business for the new year, I do have a video all about how I started my production company business. But today we're going to talk about just rebranding what you have already established. So when it comes to rebranding for me, you guys, that has a lot to do with rebranding my channel and then just any other platforms that I'm on. So this typically contains a new profile picture. So I typically want to update my profile picture, do like a little photo shoot to kind of refresh the timeline, the vision, what's going on. This will also typically include some graphics. I'll typically update my style guide of what my brand colors are for the season. Sometimes I upgrade seasonally. I usually do a rebrand every 2 seasons. So I have a spring summer rebrand and a fall winter rebrand. And then I'll take the graphic that I designed with my style guide and I'll typically update like my YouTube banner. It's a good time to check your defaults, like your description on YouTube, all of that good stuff. Make sure everything looks good to go. And yeah, so that's what we're doing today. All good, all good. So for my rebrand, I know I wanted to do something kind of vintage going into 2021. I wanted to be like, I don't know, I'm really into like the film Polaroid vintage look, especially if you guys just saw my edit on iPhone video, editing photos on iPhone video. So I wanted to do something like that. So the first thing I do when it's time to rebrand, you guys, is plan. I have my handy dandy notebook. I plan everything that I need to rebrand. I think of all the different platforms and what they entail. It's usually a banner for like Facebook and YouTube. Instagram is usually just the profile picture, the description. So I just kind of think of all the different things I need to rebrand, update, and I kind of write all those down and then I come up with a plan of how I'm going to do that. So I prefer to start with the photo shoot and the visuals. So I'll typically go on Pinterest and see anything that's inspiring me, anything that I feel like could be the vibe going into the rebrand. I'll save those pictures. I use the layout app to kind of collage them together and then I just kind of plan from there, kind of around that aesthetic, around those pictures that I initially got the inspiration from. The reason I like to do the photos first is because you guys will see here when I get into Photoshop that I like to steal the colors from the photo. So instead of deciding certain colors and they don't exactly match, it's a lot easier if I take my photos and then I use the eyedropper tool inside of Photoshop or Canva, is it Canva? I think it's called Canva, whatever application you're using, to take the photos. So maybe I did want red in my color palette. I could take the exact red from my nails. I could take the exact white of the background. So I can take the exact green of my top. So, you know, I can really make sure I'm getting accurate colors if I take the photos first and then take the colors from the photos. I'm going to prepare for my profile photo shoot. So we're going to set up for the photo shoot, do some makeup, let my hair down, put on my fit. I have my planning done, my vision boarding done. I'm ready to get my profile picture together, my photo shoot. So, you know, I kind of decide what the look is going to be. So like I said, I knew this was going to be kind of vintage film. So I kind of just played around with oversized blazers, some gold jewelry. And then I just wanted my hair to be like kind of free. I've straightened it and added some body to it. And then I just wanted like a red lip. I wanted red nails. Like I wanted it to be kind of like classy, vintagey vibes is what I was getting from my inspiration photos. And I wanted to use like kind of more vintage sunglasses. So I had my cat eye shades. I have my little turtle shell shades as well. So that's kind of how I prepared for the photo shoot. I set up my white sheet and I did the photo shoot for my updated profile picture. Such a freak, so I close the window, but I don't see a After photo shoot, I'll typically go into video shoot. Typically you need a video shoot if you're doing some kind of like YouTube intro or updating like your YouTube trailer. I decided instead of doing a fresh shoot for my YouTube trailer like I do a lot of times, I just wanted to take content that I had already previously filmed and use that to create a trailer. Once you guys do establish your channel and you have more content, it's better to create a trailer of what you've already created, because then people see the plethora of things that you do. So I did kind of drop an Instagram reel that showed me like doing a bunch of different home DIY photo shoot setups. So I wanted to create a trailer kind of similar to that. So that's gonna all be in editing using old footage, so I don't even have to get ready for that. So that's great. But you guys can totally feel free, if this is new to you, if you haven't done like a trailer or anything yet, or you don't feel like you have enough content to build something off of, you guys can definitely in your photo shoot scene, you know, try to create some kind of little video clips. You can just shoot some video clips while you're in each look, in each location that you're shooting for your rebrand, and then you could just kind of stitch those together, add some words on top, and that could be your trailer, your intro. Another thing you could do, for me, I actually stopped having a trailer for a while and I just posted my newest video as my trailer, because I felt like my newest video showed like my newest level of quality and what I was teaching on YouTube. So you could also start that way. You could just always have your newest video as your trailer, so that as people discover your channel, they just see the latest quality video that you have released. So we have plans, we have vision boarded, we have done our photo shoot, video shoot, so we're ready to take those photos in, edit your photos however you like. I have plenty of editing on iPhone videos, as well as how I edit my photos using Adobe Lightroom videos, so you guys can definitely check that out if you want to see how specifically I edit my photos. You can go and edit your video, your trailer. Now we're ready to complete the graphics. So I create my graphics in Photoshop. You guys can create your graphics in Canva, a free graphic design program, canva.com, and all I do is basically I keep it very simplistic. I know I want my brand to be simplistic, so I just take like the background color of my photo, make that the background color of my banner. I choose a font and add this font to my style guide. I add any colors, like I said, from my photos that I like, that I want to use into my style guide, and then I use my style guide to create the rest of the content, such as my banner, if I want to create thumbnail templates, any of that kind of stuff, any kind of graphics that I would need. So once my graphics are updated, my photos updated, I've updated my trailer, intros, all that good stuff, you guys, the last thing I like to do is just go over all of the text and everything. So like I said, on Instagram, I'll just review my description, the links in my bio. I'd even go in and update my link tree, which features all of my links. I'll go in and update my Instagram defaults, so I have like a default description in there. I'll just make sure it's all good to go. My about me, anything that's kind of there, just make sure it's updated, polished, clean, fit your new aesthetic, your new rebranding. But that is it, you guys. That is how you do a visual rebrand. Now there is a way to go deep down and, you know, really go into your purpose and your goals and all of that good stuff. I have previous videos all about rebrand with me, as well as how to reinvent yourself. So those videos go more in depth on the purpose of your branding before the actual visual looks. But for this one, I want to show you guys kind of some DIY visual rebrands that you can use when you're rebranding yourself for 2021. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for sticking around. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up to support my channel. Subscribe to join the Work That Fam. Hit the bell to be notified whenever we got a new video, you guys. Your girl is out of here.